Yeah, mom and one of the babies. I don't know where the other one went to. There's twins out here. Don't know where the other one stepped off to. Oh, there he is. He's over there by himself. We need to get a little bit braver to move around on his own. He's out there by the edge of my shop. Oh, Mama's head that way too. She's going around that way, and the other one's still out there by the feed block. I reckon she decided to run around there and check on this one. Yep, there she comes. So they fixing to head on back around to behind the shop, out of sight. They're looking good. They're looking healthy. Growing. Oop, oop. Well, bouncing around. All right, they're gone.